2025 Yamaha XSR brings that perfect neo-retro charm, classic silhouette, modern tech, and a sleek new digital cluster. And to keep that display looking as sharp as the bike itself, we've created the Spartan Shield Premium Screen Protector, precision cut exclusively for the new XSR. Start by wiping the screen with the alcohol wipe included in the kit. This removes all dust, fingerprints, and road grime the display picks up during rides. Next, dry it off gently using the microfiber cloth. Then use the dust removal sticker to lift away any tiny particles. A clean surface makes all the difference for a bubble-free finish. Now peel off the backing layer from the protector, holding it only from the edges. Align it carefully with the XSR's display so the air can release smoothly during application. Once aligned, place it down slowly, pressing from the center outward as the adhesive settles. Use the provided squeegee to push out any trapped air and let the protector hug the screen perfectly. Finally, peel off the top film, and your Yamaha XSR's display is now crystal clear, scratch resistant, and ready for every ride ahead with Spartan Shield.